Welcome, everyone, to this presentation on Wildlife Week. Today, we'll explore the importance of wildlife conservation, strategies to protect and conserve wildlife, initiatives to improve wildlife conditions, methods to reduce poaching, and the challenges and future outlook in the realm of wildlife conservation. Wildlife is not just about the animals, it's about preserving our planet's intricate balance. Biodiversity preservation ensures a healthy environment for all species. Additionally, wildlife has substantial economic value, contributing significantly to our economy. Furthermore, it plays a vital role in maintaining ecological stability and natural processes, ensuring our planet's health. To protect and conserve wildlife, we focus on preserving habitats, intensifying anti-poaching efforts, raising public awareness, and establishing wildlife rescue and rehabilitation centers. These efforts are pivotal in safeguarding the diverse flora and fauna that enrich our ecosystems. Our initiatives to improve wildlife include reforestation, sustainable development practices, intensive research and monitoring, and strengthening legal protections. Through these measures, we aim to restore habitats, promote coexistence, and safeguard endangered species. Combating poaching demands a multifaceted approach. We employ cutting-edge technologies such as surveillance cameras and drones, actively engage local communities, collaborate closely with law enforcement agencies, and foster international cooperation. By doing so, we strive to curb illegal wildlife trade and preserve our wildlife heritage. Despite our efforts, challenges persist. Climate change poses a threat to wildlife habitats, and human-wildlife conflict requires innovative solutions. However, advancements in technology, along with global collaboration, offer hope. By addressing these challenges collectively, we can pave the way for a sustainable future for both humans and wildlife. In conclusion, our shared responsibility towards wildlife conservation cannot be overstated. I urge each one of you to actively engage in wildlife protection efforts, support organizations working in this field, and raise awareness in your communities. Together, we can ensure a harmonious coexistence between humanity and the magnificent wildlife that graces our planet.